Okay, so let's do another lesson in iNaturalist. But before we do that, we're going to do one in Seek. And I'm doing that because Seek is powered by iNaturalist. And the two of these are far superior than what's out there. I can't remember the name of the other app. It came out a number of years ago, but I can remember that the database for it was pretty bad, and I didn't like it at all. It was very inaccurate, and so I decided to look around, and of course through work I got the best advice on plant identification, insect, and you name it, the whole gamut identification. So that's why I use Seek. I will only use Seek, and I use iNaturalist. So let's start with Seek. At the top of the science folder, to the left is the green leaf, or the white leaf in green. So you click on that. Wait for it to load. Of course, we gotta wait. Okay. So I already know what we're looking at, but we're going to do a demonstration. So let's see what Seek has to say, and it's loading again. Oh dear. Figures. Okay, garlic mustard. So we're happy with that because I know that this is the garlic mustard. Alright, so usually what I do, because when I'm doing this, I'm doing it for work, and so I usually have to do both Seek and iNaturalist. So we're going to do iNaturalist again. Oh, let's go back. Okay, so right next to Seek to the right is iNaturalist. Tap on that. Down at the bottom right, tap on the plus sign. Right in the middle on the top, tap on the photo for the camera. And then we're going to take a picture of it. And we already know what it is. That's why I always use Seek first, because Seek is a very good identifier. Trees too. It's very, very good. So we already know that this is garlic mustard, which is the second one down. So we're going to click on that. Now the picture that they're showing is when it's about 2 feet tall and it's in bloom. So that's why it looks a little bit different, but the leaves of the rosette have rounded lobes, but as it grows taller, they become a little more pointy, but it's the same plant. So we're going to click select. Down at the bottom, we're going to click the check. And we're done. We'll do some more at some other time. Hope you got something out of it. Any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer. Bye-bye, folks.